Welcome to Legacy World. What's up? So, I'm just gonna be touching up my tattoos today. Cause the ink, I think it was the type of ink that I used, was not fucking with my skin. So, none of it took, but it's okay. We're gonna do it again. On it, the next 2 days, the ink was coming out. So I'm gonna try to do a different ink. It's when I got here, right here, I had to stop. I'm not about to play. I'm not about to keep doing this. That shit hurts. I have the Dragonhawk mask pen. It comes with, now I've used mine a couple of times, so there's not organized. I'm an artist. I'm not an organized person. I just keep all the cables and wires in
Stupid.
Here goes the power source. When I use this, I usually set it to 6.5 for myself. That feels comfortable for me, but I don't go over 7 because it starts ripping your skin. I'm not really a professional tattoo artist. I just kind of do this for fun. I'll start doing tattoos for other people, but I'm getting my practice in first. They give you nice, high quality materials, and I actually ordered this off Amazon for $80. Don't quote my price. I have to look it up. Looks like. And then it comes with these cartridges. Love these. I don't even know if y'all can see that, but there's a needle right inside. All you do is just take it, stick it into this end, push it down, and lock it into place. So you have to twist it almost, and it'll click. For the tattoo prep, I do have this squeeze bottle. I used green soap with 30% alcohol. I diluted it with water. Just use this, and then I'll spray the tattoo. Well, not spray it. Well, yeah, I guess spray it. Or squirt it. I don't like that word. Now I'll wash it really good, and then I'll just go ahead and take a razor and just shave the hair away. This shit don't feel good. So I like to be comfortable while I'm tattooing myself. So I sit up on the couch, just tattoo myself and watch TV. So I'm just gonna put some footage of me doing that.